All right, well, welcome back. Again, happy Halloween here at the Louisiana Art and Science Museum. Well, now we're going to show you, or I'm going to show you how to make your own wand, your own magical wand. Now, this is going to be very easy to do. As I speak about these things, I will show you on the screen where to get them. So really, all this is and I've made these in bulk because, as you know, the wand chooses the wizard, and they're all different. So depending on who comes to see this particular show in person, whenever we are allowed to have you back in, you will get your own wand that is tailor-made for you. But I will show you how to make your own wand. So this is going to be a wand I made fairly recently. Here's how I did it. Let's take a bit of a look here, closer look here. All this really is a wooden dowel rod. I believe this is a 1/4 inch by 12 inches, I think. And you can get this on Amazon.com. You can get this at Home Depot. There's all different shapes and sizes of dowel rods. Very many uses for them, but it's really just a wooden stick. Is all it is. Now, if you don't want to go and buy your own dowel rod, you can actually go outside and find a nice twig or branch, something about this size, something that fits in your hand, and you can clean it up some, get the bark off of it to make your own wand. So here's how to do this with a dowel rod or any type of wooden stick that you find in your backyard. That is magical. So all I did was I used this dowel rod here. I got a pencil sharpener to round off the edges so that it looks a bit more like a wand. So a pencil sharpener for both edges there. Then I got this. This is a hot glue gun. This has a stick of glue you put inside there. You plug it in and you heat it up. And once it gets heated up, you can then make these patterns with the glue. So you'll have to use your parents' permission. You have to have a parent, guardian, some adult to help you with this, because the tip of these hot glue guns gets pretty hot, and when the glue comes out, it is also pretty hot at times. So you don't want to get this on your skin at all. But with their help, with their permission, plug in the hot glue gun. And then once it gets heated up and ready, you can just make these little dabs along here. Let's see here, let's get this. So you can make these little dabs. You can do little pearls, you can do little circles, you can do any type of design that you want. So you can see here, I've got these little, there we go. See how I've made these little spirals on this one here. Now, on our day of our events, we've had kids come in and they've begun to make their own wands, and then for whatever reason, they've left them behind. So once you've made the design that you want for your wand, you need to paint your wand. And for that, what I use are these Sharpie paint pens. Now, these are also available at places like Hobby Lobby, maybe even Walmart has these. But these are oil-based paint pens. They come in a variety of colors, so you can choose the color that you want. Just shake them up real good. And then once it's done, all you gotta do is you gotta push in the tip a bit, prime the tip with paint. And as you can see right there, it already has some paint in it. And then you can begin to paint your own wand. That might take some time to do, and I'm not going to do the entire thing. I already have some examples here for you. But we can see here some examples. Somebody painted a nice little blue line there. They painted the individual hot glue marks they've made themselves. That's kind of cool looking. See if we can focus in on that there. All the way down, some different colored streaks there. This is a nice one here. It's pink and blue and green. Again, they've painted the hot glue designs in that. It's a very basic wand here, but again, whenever you see the wands in Harry Potter, they look almost like this actually. Very basic wand handle, very clean, basic wand right there. So pretty nice job that these kids did. I don't know why they left them behind, but if you ever come back here and want your wands, I've got them. So that's really it. That is really all that is involved with making your own wand. All you need is a dowel rod, some hot glue, paint pen, and look, if you don't have paint, if you don't have hot glue, you can use string to make your own handle. You can use a Sharpie, you can use spray paint. Again, make sure that you have your parent or guardian's permission to do this. Make sure they are supervising you to do this. You don't want to get paint all over the house. You don't want to get paint all over your room. So, again, you need to use some discretion, some common sense, some creativity as well to make your own Harry Potter style wand.